How to set call forwarding to voicemail in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down to the very bottom of the page and tap on Apps. Here, scroll down through the list of applications and tap on Phone. This will take you to the settings page specific to the phone app, where you can manage various call-related features. Here, find and tap on the call forwarding option as shown. On the call forwarding screen, tap the toggle switch to turn it on. Now, tap on the new option, Forward to. You will be taken to a new screen where you can enter the specific phone number you want your calls forwarded to. The call forwarding feature is now active and will redirect all incoming calls. Following these steps, you can easily set call forwarding to voicemail on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.